Conspiracy theorist Alex Jones filed for bankruptcy today, just weeks after a court here in Connecticut ordered him to pay more than $1 billion to Sandy Hook victims. News 12 Connecticut's John Craven joining us right now. John, does this mean that the families are going to have to wait even longer to see any money?
Well, potentially, Eric, but remember, this case will be tied up in appeals for years anyway. And one legal expert thinks this bankruptcy could actually help the families. Alex Jones announced his bankruptcy to millions of viewers.
I filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in Houston this morning.
The move comes after a Waterbury court ordered Jones to pay $1.5 billion to Sandy Hook families for claiming the shooting was a hoax.
It was so intense.
Victims' parents suffered years of threats from Jones' followers.
And he was looking at me and he said, "How do you sleep at night, you?"
Jones mocked the jury award.
Total $54 million.
Yeah!
By juror number 1.
And vowed to never pay up. Now in his bankruptcy filing, Jones says he has less than $10 million in assets, but he owes more than $1 billion.
I don't know what choice he had.
Quinnipiac law professor Robert White says bankruptcy protects Jones in the short term, but in the long run, it could hurt him.
Chapter 11 does provide transparency, which could be good for the plaintiffs. There's been allegations of transfers of assets.
Today, Jones was defiant.
And it's all going to be filed, it's going to be public, and you will see that Alex Jones has almost no cash.
Because of the bankruptcy, the Sandy Hook case is on hold for now. But the family's attorney said, like every other cowardly move Alex Jones has made, this bankruptcy will not work. The bankruptcy system does not protect anyone who engages in intentional and egregious attacks on others as Mr. Jones did. All this sounds familiar. It is. Alex Jones filed bankruptcy for his business earlier this year. John Craven, News 12, Connecticut.